Rise and grind, back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video we got a 2014 Toyota Corolla LE. We're doing a fuel pump replacement on it. Alright, also our new fuel pump. Alright, and it's in the back seat.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
So we in the back seat. You want to pull up your seat, pull up on the front. Got these tabs on both sides. Get the seat out. Alright, so we got this flap right here. You want to pry it open. Gotta unplug this harness right here. To get that out, what I did was I took some pliers, pressed on that tab, and I pulled up at the same time. Got it out. And take these off. Got this yellow clip right here. So I just spread it open, one side at a time. Once we get that all the way out, line off, and we can work on this one. With this one, you press up, get a flat head up under there and press up on it, and make it come up, and then you press back both sides, releasing it. It's gonna take a little force to get that back out the way. And now we gotta hit this snap, this ring right here. This lock ring is gonna turn to the left. Alright, check this out. So this is the first time this ever happened. I lost the footage to the last car I was working on, but I got another one. It's the same setup. I want to show you. This is a special tool that you need. I'll put a link in the description so you can get that. And we're gonna turn it to the left and get that off. Man, I could tell you this is one tight ass ring. I hate this design. I like the lock and clip better. That thing is too hard to get off when it's been on there for so long. You want to tilt it over, make sure that gas goes back in the tank, or you can just pull it out like that and try not to spill it. That's the old one. That's the new one. And we going in reverse order. Get that old gasket off. And that's the new one. So you want to hold this so the pump don't spin while you tighten it up.